Hey, just now I'm back from my college.
Pardon?
Just now I've returned from my college.
Acha, acha, acha. I know you candidates are put into lot of tension, work and all, but what to do? Yeah,
Even
Mr.
our semester exams are also going on.
Yeah, Mr. And your interviews tomorrow, na?
No, sir, day after tomorrow.
Right, right. Miss, 1 minute. What is your cell phone number? 94417.
Yes, sir, that one.
Yeah, very good. Mr. Kushwant, can you please tell us about yourself? You are appearing for officer's post or clerical post, na?
Officer post, sir.
Officer post. Okay. Tell us about yourself.
Hi, sir. I'm Pushpan Sursetti from Vishakhapatnam. I'm currently pursuing my MBA in Geetham School of Business. I've completed my undergraduation in BBA in Geetham Institute of Management. Along with my education, I've been managing my family experience that was in my past. And my family is a nuclear family. My father is a businessman. My mom is a homemaker. And my sister is also pursuing MBA in Geetham School of Business. We all support each other in our own way. And coming back, talking about my internship experience, I've completed my internship experience in Mercedes-Benz Silver Star in Hyderabad as a management trainee.
Good. So, while telling about yourself, you said you are doing MBA. MBA in which subject?
Marketing with finance, sir.
Acha, acha. You are doing marketing with finance.
Finance.
Finance, finance. Yeah, yeah. Good. Now, your sister is also doing the same thing.
Yes, sir. She's also pursuing MBA, elder sister.
Acha, good. But is she also not appearing for this exam? No.
No, sir. She's already selected in a company named Barcadia. Like her onboarding is next month.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, good, good. Excellent. That's really nice. Now, you are a finance person and also marketing person. So can you please tell us what are the functions of banks?
So the basic functions of banks would be transferring of funds, lending lending loans to the personal customers and also professional customers, maintaining the accounts of both uh, a general consumer, a normal consumer, and also commercial consumers. That would be all the private companies who are holding their accounts in the particular bank, and other and the supply of other banking products such as depository schemes, locker facilities, and everything.
You are a finance student. The answer given is not satisfactory. Anybody else can answer this question? What are the functions of banks? Anybody else? Jai, Ravi Teja, Realme, then
So main
yeah.
so main function of bank is to accepting deposits and lending loans.
Yes, continue. Continue.
So accepting deposits and lending loans, sir, and various banking activities like savings schemes and current account. These are the major functions of banks.
No, not this also not happy. Sombia, I have told this answer more than 2-3 times. Tell me, what are the functions of banks?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please tell.
So the basic function of a bank is to accept deposit and to give credit and to invest in the market, sir.
Good. What are the ancillary functions?
The ancillary functions are like lock cage facility and I think bank assurance with insurance, health insurance, life insurance. Those are the ancillary functions, sir.
Not bad. See, banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. Full stop. Other functions of banks are number one, bank assurance services like canvassing of life insurance policies, general insurance policies, and Mediclaim insurance policies in order to earn commission. Apart from this, banks also canvass for mutual fund products and do cross-selling to their customers to get commission from these services also. Banks also issue debit card, credit card. Banks also send remittances like say issuing of demand draft or sending through NEFT, RTGS. And nowadays banks do wealth management services like giving suggestion about managing the investment portfolio of high net worth individuals. Also, banks provide internet banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp banking, and other digitalized bank services also. Could you follow our Geetam University boy, Gushwant? Now,
Yes,
could
sir.
could you understand now? Very good. Now, answer
Yes,
me this question. What are the sources of income for the bank? What are the sources of income for the bank?
So the sources of income for the bank are firstly managing from the assets. They are maintaining assets and the liabilities. That would be their investments. And secondly, managing the funds of the through the interest rates generated from the loan activities and through the bank investments. And for the capital services provided by the bank to different types of people.
See, you answered, the answer was not clear in the sense the major income of the bank is the interest on loans given by it to its borrowers. First point. Second point, banks also get other income like service charges like commission on bank assurance services, mutual fund products, commission on letter of credit issued, guarantee issued, and rent on lockers. The other point you told correctly, namely, banks get interest on the investments of securities made by them, like government securities. And also when they invest in shares of other companies, they get dividend also. Could you follow, Kushwant?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me, Kushwant, what is a Reserve Bank? What are the functions of Reserve Bank?
So the Reserve Bank is a central bank of India, which it uses a monetary policy through which it lends money to all the commercial banks in India throughout the India by with the repo rate to each of the commercial bank. So the functions of Reserve Bank of India would be managing a cash flow in the market. That would be their basic and main function. And also they have to their issuance of currency. The main function of RBI, the issuance of currency and maintaining a credit system for the company, for the country, and the regulation for the monetary policy in India, all of the banks in India, managing the foreign exchange.
Good. Managing foreign
Detect-
exchange. Yeah.
Managing foreign, detecting fake currency notes,
Mm.
issuance of new currency notes.
That is what you told me.
That's
You are repeatedly telling the same thing. Note issue, note issue, note issue. You are telling the same thing. Huh? Reserve Bank functions. Number one, bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, controller of foreign exchange, and say monetary policy controlling authority. समझ गया? Kushwant.
sir. Sir, समझिए.
Yeah. Now, if you tell like that, they will ask you, now under the monetary policy, what are its functions? What is it doing with the monetary policy committee? Tell.
Sir, sorry,
Yes.
sir, can I, sir,
What
can you
are-
repeat the question again?
The question is,
Monetary policy.
there is a committee known as Monetary Policy Committee. What is the role of, let me see what is the exact question they have asked in Federal Bank. The exact question they have asked is, why monetary policy is required for RBI? This is the question they have asked. And then in another place they have asked, how monetary policy is used by Reserve Bank of India to control inflation. What is inflation? Like that, the question will go. Please tell me.
Sir, like monetary policy is used by RBI to manage the economic fluctuations, and also which means that the inflation would be low and stable. So this would be also used for the stability of the inflation, and the monetary policy is also, sir.
Stability of inflation, no, stability of economy.
Stability of the economy and maintaining a stable inflation is stable. And it also regulates on the interest rates, interest on excess reserves maintained by the RBI. It also helps in open market operations.
Okay, now this monetary policy committee, you should tell clearly, monetary policy committee chairman is the governor. It has members, 3 members from RBI, 3 members from government. They meet once in 2 months to discuss about the financial position or economic position, and accordingly they take decisions. Where the Reserve Bank, the Monetary Policies Committee's objective is that the inflation should be plus or minus 2%. Say plus or minus 2 of say 4%. It can be 2% or maximum 6%. So that is their object. And where the inflation is going above that, repo rate will be increased, and in order to control the inflation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question. You are a marketing man. Marketing man. Can you tell me the marketing efforts taken by Federal Bank for pushing its products?
So the Federal Bank main motto that throughout the past decade has been to increase the utilization of digital platform and introduce new digital products. So to make a seamless experience to the customers, where all the banking activities would be easily accessible to all the customers. So Federal Bank has tied up with some companies such as Jupiter, and they are issuing some credit card services to many customers, through which they are getting a credit rating system, through which the Federal Bank is increasing their credit rating system. And also customers are benefiting with that same credit card, where they are getting many reward points along with their credit utilization.
Good. Can you tell something about the milestones of Federal Bank?
Sir, the milestones of Federal Bank, where the Federal Bank has received some an award for their corporate social responsibility. That was in the year around 2020 to 2021, and they also received an award of Global Business Excellence Award, and they have a very great milestone that it is an one and only first bank in India to offer a fully digital onboarding experience for its customer,
No, no.
where they have introduced a new digital initiative like Fed First, I think, to provide a great customer support and service to the customers.
Kushwant, the points told by you are not wrong, but when I go through the Federal Bank website, this is what they are showing us. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
They are telling bank launched facility for renewal of gold loans online through Fed ePoint, the self-service peer portal for customers. Number 2, bank introduced Fed First customized savings accounts for kids. March 21, bank launched a dedicated portal that would make the process of subscribing to Millionaire Federal Savings Fund deposit products for NRIs hassle-free. April 21, bank introduced self-service passbook printing kiosks at select branches. June 21, Federal Bank's own credit cards, Celesta, Imperio, Signet, were launched for existing to bank pre-approved customers. August 21, bank introduced Fed Smart Saver Gold Loan Scheme, an innovative gold loan scheme that rewards the promptly repaying customer with 50% as interest rebate. Next, September 21, to achieve the goal of providing banking services to the unbanked areas, Federal Bank partnered with FinTech Partners FI and Jupiter Money for customized neo-banking experience to resident individuals. October 21, bank launched Imperio Family Banking, which is an impeccable banking service designed to suit the uniqueness of targeted mid-HNI, high net worth individual customers. It is a tailor-made banking solution. December 21, bank launched Mahila Mitra Plus, an exclusive savings account for women that offers curated set of features. Then January 22, bank enabled portfolio investment scheme, account opening through internet banking. February 22, as an environmentally mindful social responsible institution, bank introduced green deposit scheme for special tenor of 2,250 22 days, the proceeds of which will be exclusively utilized for funding green loan portfolio. April 22, Federal Bank is now live as an issuer in e-rupee, electronic rupee, which is a cashless and contactless person and purpose-specific digital payment solution launched by National Payment Corporation of India. E-rupee vouchers can be shared with the beneficiaries via SMS or QR code. Could you follow this, Kushwant? These are
Yes, sir.
new points that are given in the website only. And I have not asked this question earlier. Now only it came to my vision, so I asked. Similarly, Mr. Kushwant, you must go through this corporate social responsibility also. Please click that and read. Then this investor relations also. Good. Otherwise, you are answering well. Now, please tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses.
Sir, my strengths being my experiences, sir, which have taught me how to be creative in solving problems and finding solutions to difficult challenges. I have a proven track record of successfully completing projects while working collaboratively in a team environment.
Good. What is CASA?
Sir,
What is CASA?
sorry, sir, I haven't heard of
CASA. CASA.
it, sir.
CASA means current account, savings account. CASA ratio means current account, savings account divided by total deposits into 100. You must also know what is the CASA ratio of Federal Bank. Anybody knows what is the CASA ratio of Federal Bank? Anybody knows what is the CASA ratio of Federal Bank? I am seeing it here. Just a minute. CASA deposits grew by 7.19% to reach 68,967.14 crore. So 68 divided by 2 lakhs is the CASA. That is roughly 35%. Roughly 35% is the CASA. Okay, could you follow, Kushwant?
Yes, sir.
Kushwant, you must go through this press release. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
What is the net profit? 804 crore. What is the NIM? 3.49%. What is GNPA, NNPA? 2.43, 0.73. So you must go through all this, try to know which question for you commerce people, they will ask something related to capital adequacy ratio also. 13.35%. And of course, you answered that question on marketing correctly, that they are using their, say, social media very well. And also they have some vlog, they have some blogs. See, they are having exposure in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp. What is this? What is this one? Hand. Anybody knows? I don't know. Anybody knows what it is? Clubhouse, Federal Bank official. Some clubhouse like that is there. Then this is, I think, what is this? This is sharing.
Sharing.
Sharing only. And this is print. Fine. They are making it available for everybody to take print also, to know about their products and all. Good. That's right. Now, will you be able to work anywhere in India, Mr. Kushwant?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Since being a fresher, I'm open to
Yeah.
work anywhere.
Kushwant, what is the meaning of the name Kushwant?
Actually, according to our mother tongue language, Kush being happy, and Kushwant is the name derived from an famous American scientist, Kushwant Singh, sir. Like he's an Indian origin, but Kushwant Singh is a American originated famous scientist.
Scientist? No, no,
Yes, sir.
no. Kushwant was a famous editor of Illustrated Weekly. Kushwant Singh, the name Kushwant Singh is known
Yes,
as an
sir. He is
Indian.
also an there is also an author, sir. But in that during the time they were naming me, there is an scientist also, sir. Kushwant Singh.
Acha. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you. That's right. Now, can you tell me some important news you have read in the last 2-3 days?
Sir,
News,
sir?
news that you have read in the last 2-3 days.
Sir, I have read about the interest rate on the UPI payments for the merchants, sir, that have been introduced by our finance minister, where the payments more than 2,000, it would be charged for the merchants, and consumers wouldn't be charged. It would be according to the merchant choice. Like if they want to charge us, they can charge, but it is not a compulsion.
Good. Tell me. Then what do you know about G20?
G20 summit, which has been recently happened in our own hometown, Visakhapatnam, where many of the investors have visited Visakhapatnam and sanctioned many projects. One of the major projects sanctioned for Visakhapatnam would be a 6-lane flyover highway from Visakhapatnam to Bhogapuram, and also the big milestone, beginning stone of the Bhogapuram International Airport, which has been handed over by GM International Airports.
Okay, what is the expansion of TRAI? Hello?
Sir, sorry, sir.
What is
What
the
is the expansion of TR?
AI?
TR? It is a telecom authority of India, sir.
Regulatory
Telecom
authority.
telecom regulatory authority of India.
What is IRDAI?
IRDI, it is insurance,
Regulatory Development
something
Authority.
related to insurance, regulatory development.
Development. Where is its headquarters? Hyderabad.
It is headquarters in Hyderabad.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. God bless you. Are you happy about your interview or you are not happy?
Actually, I should
Your
concentrate
performance.
more, concentrate